Just as keyboards have captivated typists and gamers for their satisfying switches, sturdy builds, and ergonomic layouts, digital electric smokers are winning over barbecue lovers with convenience, precision, and quality. In this guide, we evaluate the best digital electric smokers based on cooking capacity, build quality. List 1. East Oak 30-inch electric smoker, outdoor smoker with convenient side wood chip loader. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker offers a perfect balance of capacity, convenience, and flavor. Designed with a handy side wood chip loader, you can add chips without opening the main chamber, preserving heat and smoke. Its spacious interior accommodates a variety of meats and vegetables, while the digital controls make it easy to set and maintain your desired temperature. List number: East Oak 30 electric smoker, built-in meat probe, and long smoking on single load. The upgraded East Oak 30 electric smoker takes things a step further with a built-in meat probe for precise internal temperature monitoring. What sets this model apart is its ability to deliver up to 6 times longer smoking on a single load of wood chips, thanks to improved efficiency. This smoker is perfect for slow cooking large cuts like brisket or pork shoulder, while the clear digital display makes it easy to manage time and temperature for perfect results every time. List number: Char-broil analog electric smoker, black, 18-20-27. The char-broil analog electric smoker is a straightforward, no-nonsense choice for those who want simplicity and reliability. Its double-wall insulated construction ensures consistent heat retention, while 3 chrome-plated cooking grates offer plenty of space for smoking multiple items at once. The front-mounted temperature gauge keeps you informed, and the removable water and wood chip trays make cleanup a breeze. List 4. Char-broil analog electric smoker, black, 18-20-27. We highlight the char-broil analog electric smoker again for its consistent popularity and value. Identical to the above, it combines durability with user-friendliness, making it a favorite among casual grillers and seasoned pitmasters alike. Its generous cooking area and sturdy design mean it handles everything from ribs to chicken beautifully. If you're looking for a dependable List 5 digital electric smoker with cover, LED display, built-in meat probe, large capacity. This digital electric smoker with cover offers everything you need for a seamless smoking experience. Featuring a bright LED display and a built-in meat probe, you'll enjoy precision control over temperature and timing. The spacious interior accommodates large meals, and the included cover protects your smoker from the elements when not in use. Its efficient heating element and well-sealed design produce excellent smoke flavor with minimal effort, making it perfect for serious home barbecue lovers.